This one got hit in this corner right here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the corner, this ain't a persona.
I have a 2015 Ford Edge here. This one got hit in the side right here. It's getting a new fender, new door, and then a little repair on this post. There's a dent right here. That's pushed in a little bit, then a small dent down in this area. Pretty minor. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna repair this post, and then I'll fit the door and the fender, make sure they fit good, and get this one over to the paint department. Alright, well I got this one all fit together. Fender and door both fit good. So the post is just about ready for primer now. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this fender and door back off, and I'll be able to prime up that post. So this is the new door for this Ford Edge, and these are supposed to be seam sealed. The seam's supposed to be sealed up from the factory. They don't seal them up whenever you buy the replacement door. So I'm gonna scuff it up, tape it off, and seam seal this seam up all the way around. I am down here in our aluminum shop. I have a aluminum F-150 bed here. This one got hit in this corner right here. Got torn up pretty good. It's getting a new bedside, and then I'm replacing this inner piece inside of there. I got the new bedside right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one all cut apart and start fitting the new side on.